Welcome to this training, where we will show how to use the Reports tool in Alert to audit alerts to see how many are being sent and to whom. This enables the manager to use this information to adjust the various settings when setting up alerts for a user group or a user. From the dashboard in Alert, click on Reports from the top menu. Select the dates for which the report should be pulled, for example, the current month to date. Then select Alert Notification Detailed Report from the Report dropdown. Click on the HTML button to view the report in your browser, or the PDF button to download the report as a PDF, which may be more suitable for small screen devices. The first section of the report will show which users received which alerts. If an excessive number of alerts of a particular type were sent, you may want to adjust the alerts for that user's group. For example, if too many alerts of type wind and severity moderate were sent, you may want to adjust the minimum severity threshold for these alerts to severe or extreme. If the user did not receive an alert they were expecting, you may want to reduce the severity. Other sections in the report will also indicate which users received daily summary reports, how many people clicked on the link in their alert email to view the map, how many alert emails were opened, and how many alerts were shared from the UI from the Share Alert button. Other sections in the report will also indicate which users received daily summary reports, how many people clicked on the link in the alert email to view the map, how many alert emails were opened, and how many alerts were shared from the UI from the Share Alert button. The last section of the report will indicate any users who have opted out of receiving alerts. This concludes the training demonstrating how to use the Reports tool in Alert to audit alerts.